I love fried chicken, and there's nothing more iconic when it comes to fried chicken than KFC. So I'm continuing on my journey today to try out KFC in every single country, and Cambodia is next on my list. Joining me today is fellow fried chicken enthusiast Aidan.
Here we go. I'm so ready.
I'm so ready for KFC. Alright, let's go. The symbol of Colonel Sanders. The globally recognized symbol of KFC.
Big enough trust and hope. All fried chicken nuggets.
Alright, let's see what they have on the menu. Zoom in. Got some box meals, combo meals. Oh, dude, they have. Oh, you're right. They have ghost pepper. Are you ready for some ghost pepper?
Family combo.
Classic meals. You got some fried chicken. Looks pretty standard. Got a combination of burgers and fried chicken. Are you man enough to try the ghost pepper?
I'm not sure. Maybe one piece.
One piece. Oh, this is stuff I want. Parmesan and truffle crunch. Dude, this stuff looks good, man. Hello. Do you have the Parmesan? Oh no. Don't have? Oh no. Alright, back to the drawing board. Sorry. Oh yeah, I think it's time we go all in for the ghost pepper. This is KFC in Cambodia. This is their limited time specialty. Ghost pepper Zinger burger. So you see a big Zinger fillet with apparently ghost pepper sauce. So I think it's gonna be real spicy. Locked out with a piece of dye, get chips and upsize the drink, and it's fucking massive. Alright, put it next to Aidan's face.
My face is small though, so it's like not a really good comparison.
This is fucking gigantic. It's like the biggest upsize I've seen. Oi! Alright, time to try out this super chili ghost pepper. Oh, there's nacho chips in the burger. Yeah, it's 2 pieces of like nacho chips. Alright, hopefully this is not too spicy. It's not bad. You feel the heat, but it's like not like ghost pepper. I expect a lot more from a ghost pepper. The bread is a little bit soggy. The chicken's not bad. It's actually pretty tender and juicy. Alright, what do you think?
It's pretty good, but not as spicy as I hoped it would be.
I feel like
good level of spice.
Yeah, there's a little bit of kick in your mouth afterwards. What about chicken?
Chicken?
No, like the chicken fillet.
Yeah, it's good.
Good?
Chicken's good. Not as big as I hoped, but
Yeah,
doesn't fill up the whole burger.
That's Asia KFC in general, I reckon.
With like all this space here with no chicken.
What are you doing? Now to try the original recipe, the standard of all KFC. I don't know where to buy this thing. Yeah, pretty juicy. Could be juicy, a little bit dry, just a little bit dry. The outside coating is pretty nice. It's very crunchy. It's not soggy on the outside. It's good. Could have a little more flavor. I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. The chips I have no hope for. Looks dry.
Salted.
Yeah, it looks dry as hell. Yeah. Not much flavor.
Like mac and chips.
Yeah, just dry potato. So burger's pretty good. The bread could be a little better. The chicken's nice. The sauce is good. Not too chili. The chicken, again, outside the skin is very crispy, but inside's a little bit dry. And the chips is like.
Burger's pretty good. Chips not great. Orange juice not great. Chicken, we'll see.
Dude, it's not look like orange juice at all.
Yeah. Let's see.
First bite of original recipe.
Alright.
Dude, it's like.
Try another bite.
Need another bite.
I'd say it's pretty tender. It's more, I think it's juicier than your one, but the batter doesn't really come together for me. It's all kind of like.
There's not much flavor in the batter. It's crispy, but not like.
I mean, yeah. The texture of the batter, it's like separate pieces. They're not like, it's like one unit, like I'd expect a KFC chicken to be. The chicken as well, the meat quality looks like it comes from Asia. It's not as like white and like juicy and succulent as what you would expect it to be.
Yeah.
So
There's room for improvement.
overall, it's a good imitation. This large chips.
You tried. Everything has been destroyed.
Exactly as
Pretty much.
Exactly as planned.
Desecrated battlefield, except for these chips. can't eat these chips, they're so bad. So I think overall conclusion is they don't have the 11 secret herbs and spices.
They haven't done it quite right.
Yeah.
They've used Colonel Sanders' name in vain.
Like Aidan said, good imitation, but not quite there yet. They should hire us as quality control
QA.
to maintain standards across global KFC. I need to like lie down now.
Look at the board.
The history of KFC. 1890. All the way to today. 13,000 KFC restaurants in more than 100 countries. So this marks the third country that I made a video about. 97 to go.